Hey guys, what's up? It's Alexandria and welcome back to my channel. So sorry, I know I look really rough this morning. I literally just got out of the shower and it's such a beautiful day outside. So although I'm working at home, I really wanted to put on a little bit of makeup and do something with my face. It is breaking out just a little bit on this side. I did just order some new skincare products. I definitely think it was the skincare products that I'm using. I'm just putting a little bit of this La Roche-Posay moisturizer on my face because it feels a little dry. I don't know why. I've been using like good moisturizing products, so I don't know. I feel so dry, which is very strange for this time of year, but we'll just go with it. But yes, I just thought I would come on here and show you guys what my like minimal makeup kind of looks like for the day. All these products I am pretty much proud to say are pretty much for the most part drugstore. So they're not worth tons of money. I've been really into like finding cost-effective and very economical ways of purchasing beauty products so that I'm not spending tons of money. I also have a little bit of green juice. Ooh. I've been starting my mornings off with green juice instead of my normal oats. So we have that, and we're just gonna jump right into it. I have this porefessional benefit primer. So this is obviously a little bit higher end. I got suckered into buying this, you guys. So, and then right when I was like, I don't need this, I'm gonna return it. Everything happened with Corona, so I never had the chance to return it. I personally just don't think this is like the best. I think it's a good primer. It's just not the best primer for me because it is very mattifying. And like I said, my skin for some reason, as I'm getting older, for whatever reason, my skin is becoming a little bit drier. I also don't eat as much meat, so I feel like that has a little bit of something to do with it, you know. So I'm gonna be taking I don't want to look overdone. I don't need any makeup. Here's True Match Lumi Glow Foundation, and this one is in the shade 903. It's the medium color. So it's got a little bit more of a goldeny kind of champagne-y kind of tint. They said that this was supposed to be for my skin tone, but I kind of don't believe them. So you can put this on over, you can just wear this stuff alone, or you can mix it in with your foundation. Apparently you can layer it over top of your makeup and use it as a highlight. So you can use it for numerous different things. I am choosing to do this instead of really heavy foundation, just because, like I said, my face is breaking out a little bit and I just want a little bit of a glow to my face. I just want to look awake and alive and like I'm here. All right, and next I'm going to fill in my brows with the NYX Fill and Fluff Brow Pencil that I've fallen absolutely in love with. This pencil is amazing. It has like a little fluffy brush right here, so we can just fluff up our brows. And then this side reminds me of that thicker Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil. And I think this is actually better than the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil. That's just my opinion. I don't know. Could be nuts. I feel like they're definitely different formulas. This is more of like a jelly, kind of creamy kind of formula, which I like. So that's probably why I lean more towards this one. So I just do a little bit and then fluff them up. A nice little natural brow for today. All right, so as you can see, we already look a little bit better, and taking my beauty blender and kind of blending in that lotion. If you can like literally already tell, like just putting on some brows and putting on that lotion just kind of woke my skin up a little bit. So next we're gonna take the Neutrogena Peptides and Antioxidants, wait, Neutrogena Healthy Skin Radiant Cream Concealer. What am I reading? It has peptides and antioxidants in it. So we're just gonna take this. I have horrible dark eyes. I know, I get people tell me about it all the time. I don't know what's wrong with them. I really don't know how to fix them, but they're pretty bad. But we're just gonna take this concealer and put it under the eyes. So on days like this, I really love using skin tone color concealers, because we're not really necessarily looking for like a highlight. We're trying to kind of just cover and conceal certain spots without looking so overdone, you know what I'm saying? I may put a little bit of foundation on that side. I haven't decided yet. And then I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend it on out. Cover up my little blemishes a little bit. And then I'm also, like, I've just been getting the breakouts lately. I don't know why. And then I am gonna carve my brows out a little bit just because I like the way that looks. So I know you guys have been loving haul videos that I do. What am I saying? I know that people watch my haul videos and not my, really necessarily my makeup stuff or anything else that I put up on the YouTube. People tend to gravitate more towards the haul stuff, which is fine. It's cool. I love it. You know, I love that you guys love those videos. I actually love those videos too. Those are my favorite types of videos to watch on YouTube. Obviously, can't do them every 3 days, and I've been wanting to post every 3 days. And yeah, so just bear with me until I can get another haul video together. You know, obviously I don't have a bajillion amounts of money that I can spend on clothes, so I have to kind of save and then figure out what I have to kind of spend or put towards that stuff. So yeah, another haul video will probably be coming soon. I just need to find the, not the time, but the money to get more clothes, but I definitely want to do another haul video. So I'm going to be taking the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, and we are just going to bronze it up. There's green. And just want to get rid of this. I love some bronzer, okay? I don't care what anyone says, bronzer is the ish. It is going to make you look so good. And it's going to wake you up and make your skin look so much better. So I love bronzer, especially on days where I don't want to wear any makeup really. But I still want to look put together. All right, so now I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush and mascara, and we done. Just gonna take, I'm using the Milani blush in Wild Rose, and you guys, this stuff is so good. And then I like to take my blushers and go up near the forehead just to give us a little life. You can do, this makes you look like you have a tan for some reason. I don't know why. This makes you look sun-kissed. You can do down here, you know. I like to use this in combination with my bronzer. It just makes the skin go. Okay, so now we're gonna do set under the eyes just a little bit, just so I don't get any creases. All right, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of setting powder, and this is the Huda Kunafa Easy Bake powder. And I'm just gonna set right where we put concealer under the eyes, just so that I don't get too much creasing there. Okay, and over the eyes too, yes. And then I'm also going to take the Huda lipstick in Graduation Day. This is just a great kind of neutral toned lipstick, and you really don't need too much of it on. All right, just to give us a little, your face is not done if you don't put lips on. I feel like you need a little color. A little bit of color on your lips, always. All right, so now I'm gonna take some more bronzer, and we're going to take a little eyeshadow fluffy brush and just go in the crease here, just to, again, give us a little color, a little dimension. Alrighty, and this isn't the mascara that I really like to use. I really like to use the Collagen L'Oreal one. Is it L'Oreal? I think it's L'Oreal. It's like the Collagen, Mega Collagen one from L'Oreal, but I can't find it right now. So we're gonna use this Color CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. And that's another thing, you need mascara. You kind of just need it all. You need, no, let me stop. I think these are like the main staples in like makeup that really just makes your face look nice and alive, you know? Like your bronzer. I do a little bit of light contouring of my nose. So whenever I'm like thicker, I like to contour my nose, because I feel like when I gain weight, my nose can look a little pudgy. So my face looks pudgy in general, but this really does help until I can lose some weight. Actually been doing really good. I've replaced my, I think I told you guys this, I replaced my morning oats with green juice instead of my oats, because I feel like my body just does better when I'm not eating a ton of grains. So yeah. All right, so last but not least, the last thing we're gonna do is spray our face down. And my favorite makeup setting spray right now, although I do want to try that Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. I want to try that so bad. But I have the Glam Glow Glam Setter. This stuff smells like Skittles, and it just makes me so happy. I love this setting spray. And this is me sitting at my makeshift work from home desk. That's really actually just my countertop. And yes, I am working in my robe because I just don't want to get dressed right now. But I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I definitely appreciate it. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys wanna see. Again, I know that haul videos for me are definitely my most watched videos, and I'm definitely working on getting some of those up on my channel, hopefully sooner rather than later. But definitely stay tuned for more videos this week. But I hope you guys have a great day. Besos.